Want to cash out your investments on Revolut in 2025? Here's how to sell your stocks and withdraw the money step by step. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the app and tap on the Wealth or Stock section, depending on your interface. Step 2. Choose the stock to sell. Scroll through your portfolio and select the stock you want to sell. Tap on it to see more details. Step 3. Tap Sell. Hit the Sell button. Enter the number of shares or the amount you want to sell and review the order. Step 4. Confirm the sale. Once you're happy with the details, tap Sell Now. Your order will be executed based on the current market price. Note, it may take a short while for the cash to settle in your Revolut account, usually 1 to 2 business days. Step 5. Withdraw your money. Go back to your main account, tap Withdraw, select your linked bank account, and enter the amount to withdraw. Important, make sure your bank account details are correct to avoid delays or failed transactions. And that's it. You've sold your stocks and moved your cash out of Revolut. Quick and simple. Like and follow for more smart money tips.